Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can join the companions in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. First of all, let me apologize for using screenshots, since this is the only way I can record these tutorials at the moment. Gameplay footage is very space demanding, and it takes a long time to upload. So you'll have to bear with me. But anyway, the first encounter you will have with the companions is once you're going from Riverwood after the main quest line. Once you complete the escape from Helgen, you will be able to go to from Riverwood to Whiterun, which you are required on the behalf of whatever her name is, the owner of the mill in Riverwood, yeah. And once you go to Whiterun from the direction of Riverwood, you will be met with a few companions, such as Ayla the Huntress, and I think it's Farkas. They will be fighting a giant, and if you help them, they will commend you for it. If you don't, they will pretty much tell you you're useless. But they will offer you the choice of joining the companions. To actually join them, what you want to do is go to their meat hall in Whiterun. I think it's called your Vasker, if I remember correctly. And once you go there, you will have to go into the basement, I guess you could call it. Once you go there, you will see their elder, who is this white-haired man you can see here. I forget his name. However, you'll have to talk to him, and he'll give you the option of joining the companions if you beat one of them in a fight. I don't remember who it is. But yeah, once you beat him in a fight, you'll officially be part of the companions, and you can go on a quest with them. And that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.